It was December 1914. During the first winter of World War I, the British and German armies were locked in a brutal struggle, facing each other from freezing, muddy trenches in France and Belgium. Between them lay no man's land, a place of barbed wire and death. On Christmas Eve, something miraculous happened. The British soldiers noticed small lights appearing along the German lines. Then they heard a sound that didn't belong in a war: singing. The German soldiers were singing Silent Night. Instead of firing their rifles, the British soldiers began to sing back. For a moment, the sound of carols replaced the roar of cannons. The next morning, on Christmas Day, a German soldier walked out of his trench with his hands up, shouting, "No shoot, we no shoot." Slowly, soldiers from both sides climbed out of their holes. These men, who had been trying to kill each other just hours before, met in the middle of the battlefield. They did things no one thought possible during a war. They shook hands. Enemies became friends for a few hours. They shared gifts. They exchanged cigarettes, chocolate, and buttons from their uniforms. They played football. Some accounts say they kicked a ball around in the mud together. They buried their dead. Both sides helped each other give their fallen comrades a respectful burial.
Hey, my friends!
There were no orders from generals. It was just a choice made by the common soldiers who were tired of killing. Sadly, the next day, the officers ordered the fighting to start again. The war would continue for 4 more years. But the Christmas Truce remains one of the most powerful true stories in history. A reminder that even in the middle of a dark night, humanity can still find light.